Hey guys, what's up? And from what we expected greatness as we saw the Pixel 2 XL to now what I personally feel is betrayal, as I don't believe I am the only one who would be not happy about the third generation of the Pixel, as we are now facing a time where the flagship level product is being leaked 2 months before its release, be it the live unboxing or the newly occurred review by the Russian website mobilereview.com, as it would have been great if we would have gotten 2018 standard specifications in the Pixel 3 XL, but instead it's nothing more than adding some minor boosts to the 2 XL. So let's cut the sadness and get to the point of the video, and that is to take a look at this review posted by the Russian website, which takes us through everything that is there regarding the Pixel 3 XL. They take us through the unboxing. Firstly, as in the box, the smartphone is found alongside a fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, a USB Type-C 3.5mm jack, a USB Type-C to USB, a pin for opening the SIM card tray, and the wired stereo speakers from Google, headsets from Google. The prototype that is shown is in white color, as it looks just the same as the Pixel 2 XL, with a single lens camera setup. At the front we get an ugly, disturbing deep notch with dual cameras in it, with the stereo speaker unit in it as well, which is not so cool. And to add more to this case, the phone also has a chin, which is quite a definition of the most ugliest phone of the year, with a deep notch and a big chin. As for the internals, it will offer the Snapdragon 845 with 4 GB of RAM, which is below the RAM trend among 2018 smartphones, as both smartphones have 8 GB of RAM and 6 GB of RAM, as so pretty low standard by Google in providing 4 GB of RAM in the flagship level product. As for the built-in memory, and this is also the case where Pixel is lacking behind 2018 standards, as it has only 64 GB of RAM in its base version, which is not up to date, as we have seen 128 GB of storage in the Note 9's base model. As we know that HTC engineers now work in Google, they have created an edge sensor, which is the new feature that is most appealing so far on the Pixel 3 XL, and that which is reacting to the compression of the case. But unlike the HTC U12 Plus, there are less settings and possibilities to it. And in the camera department, Google has completely misfired, and instead of adding dual cameras, they have added a single camera setup, which is quite depressing, as they have added only a single lens camera setup. They could have brilliant solutions for the single camera setup, but they can't suppress the physical limitations that are like blurry images or optical zoom and other features that you get with the dual lens cameras. So as for the video capturing, it can capture up to 4K videos, but with the limitations of 38 frames per second, which I believe could change with the final product and could have 4K with 60 FPS. As for the display, it is a 6.2-inch OLED display, which in case of the brightness of the display is very dull as compared to the Note 9 and the other 2018 phones, and is on the level of the iPhone X. As for the battery, it is said to have less capacity than before, which means it's going to be less than 3430 mAh of battery, which was on the Pixel 2 XL, which I believe is not a good move in such a case. In my personal opinion, I believe that there is nothing very new, as there is no revelations in it. It's mostly the device we have already seen. Now to see what Google is up to. Google is developing 7 smartphones at the moment, in which 2 of them are the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. There is going to be one flexible prototype, which is distant prototype of 2020, and as for the 4 models could considered as an upgrade to the Pixel line ahead, as the Pixel 3 and P3 XL are coming in October 2018. The other 2 are the smaller version in it will be likely near to the Pixel 3 model as from the leaks, and the bigger unit is an obvious replacement for the 3 XL, which will include changes of having an IR illumination on the front panel for unlocking the device with the face and iris. It's going to have reinforced stereo speakers, dual cameras with a new type of AI involving constructions of scenes in 3D models in real time, It's going to have rejection of mechanical keys, touch buttons like in the HTC U12 Plus. It is going to have an improved chipset, most likely the Snapdragon 855, and support for a new generation of VR. As at the end, the price that has been declared for the Pixel 3 is $649, and for the Pixel 3 XL it's going to be $100 more and be $749. So yeah guys, that's all we know that is to know about the Pixel 3 XL, and this is 2 months earlier than the release date of it, so pretty bad for in any aspect. So I'm not impressed one bit from this style of standard in this phones. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. Guys, if you found this video convenient to you, please leave a like below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.